Hello boys and girls. Today we are working on lesson 31 in our Saxon math book. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a line segment that is 5 inches long. Make sure that you're on the inch side, not the meters or centimeters or whatever. So I'm going to go 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch, 5 inch. And to make it a line segment, you need to have 2 endpoints. We're going to do a 4-inch line segment. So I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to go over 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch. And I'm going to put another endpoint. There are half of a dozen of muffins in a box. Sarah ate 2 muffins. I'm going to draw a picture and write a number sentence to show how many muffins are left. That word left means you're going to subtract. Okay? So I can do this one of 2 ways. Hopefully by now you know that half of 12 is 6. But if I don't, I know a dozen is 12. 1, and then we're going to say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I pretended like I drew the rest. So half of them I drew and the other half I didn't. So half of 12 is 6. From there, she ate 2. 1, 2. How many are left? Well, there's only 4. So to write that, 6 minus 2 equals 4. But the answer isn't just 4, it is 4 muffins. Write each money amount in 2 ways. Well, there is $0.60, or there's 60 cents. Does that make sense? Over here, you have, and this is the tricky one, you have $0, 0 tens, and 4 ones. And this is actually called hundredths, but I think you're not ready for that. I can also just write 4 cents. Shade the thermometer at 76 degrees Fahrenheit. So here's 70, so I'm not going to go anything below it. And then I'm going to go to 6. These count by 2s, so 2, 4, 6. Hopefully you know how to skip count by tens. So skip count by tens 5 times. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Now, I want you to look at the pattern. When you multiply by 10, all you're doing is adding a 0 to this number. So 5 plus 0 in the ones place would be 50. Or you're putting this 7 in the tens place. So I put a 7 in the tens place, so it's 70. So to do this one, I would put 18 in my tens place, and I just add my 0 as a placeholder. So my answer is 180. What is the 9th month of the year? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. What was the date a week ago? Now, I showed you on the last one, you need to put your month. You need to put the day, and then you need to put the year. You can do that in words, or you can do it using numbers. So we are in November, but have we been in November for the was it in November last week? That I don't know. So you need to look at your calendar and examine that. Divide the square into thirds. I'm going to draw 2 lines, and I need to shade one of them. Now obviously I am human and I made a mistake. My thirds are not equal, but ideally they should be. Over here we have a pattern. Now what is my pattern? Is it getting bigger or smaller? Well, it's getting bigger and it's going up by 5s. I'm going to let you complete this on your own. If you look at this one, the pattern, the only thing that's changing is the tens place, and it's going up by 1 10. So 21, 31, 41, and so on. This concludes Saxon Math Lesson 31.